Are you ready to skyrocket your home's value with these simple tweaks that you can do over the weekend? Imagine unlocking the potential of your home's value with some easy steps. From a drab to fab transformation, I've got some insider tips for you. So stay tuned, because these 7 simple steps will wow any buyer and be a game changer for your home. So today we're uncovering 7 instant value-added steps that you can take, easy steps over the weekend that will increase your home's value. My name is Charles Lee. I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas. If this is the first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to learn about future real estate advice. So the first thing you can do is paint and refresh. Neutral palettes give it a fresh, modern vibe, making your space look larger and more appealing to buyers. Don't forget the exterior also. Take a look at outside. Does it need paint? If so, get it done. Upgrade your lighting. Outside lighting can be an instant turnoff to a potential buyer if it's outdated. Take a look at the outside first. Do those light fixtures need to be upgraded? Then go inside. Take a look at the light fixtures on the fan, the light fixtures above the doors. What needs to be upgraded to give your home a wow factor and make it stand out? Boost your curb appeal. Again, first impressions are everything when it comes to real estate. You want that buyer to want to get into your house. You want them to buy that house as soon as you see it. So take a look at your house. How does it look from the curb? Do you need to refresh the flower beds, trim the grass, trim the trees, whatever needs to be done? Look at it as a potential buyer. I guarantee you there'll be some things that you can get done. Declutter and clean. This is one of the biggest things you can do. You'd never want your house to be cluttered when you're trying to put it on the market and get it sold. Less is more when it comes to selling your home. Declutter, get rid of things, take some things, put it in storage. Use this as an opportunity to actually get rid of things you've been meaning to get rid of for a long time. If you've got too much furniture in a room, maybe consider taking some of that furniture out, moving it to another room. Utilizing stuff like that to declutter your house. Address any minor repairs. Don't, quit putting it off. Quit saying I'll fix it later. Get those things done. You got a leaky faucet, get that done. Door handles that maybe are missing or loose, get those done. Address anything that you can get done, again, over a weekend, minor fixes. Take care of those now. Update any fixtures and hardware that might be outdated, might not be looking good, scratched, bent up, whatever it is. Take a good look at all the hardware on the cabinets, the hardware on the doors, anything that you feel like needs to be replaced or fixed. Do that. Staging your home. I'm not talking about a professional stager coming in, bringing in furniture, stuff like that. I'm talking about what you can do right now to get your home ready to sell and make it more valuable. Again, it kind of goes along with decluttering. Move furniture around if necessary. Maybe get some, colorful pillows for your couch, for your sofa, for chairs. Add a pop of color. Take a look at at your kitchen. What needs to come off the countertop so it's not so crowded up there. Just leaving a few things on your countertop, making sure they're nice and clean. Bathrooms, again, take as much stuff as you can off the counters. Less is more. Remember that. Clean up the shower. Again, not talking about professional staging. You can discuss that with your agent, but what I'm talking about is just doing some common sense things, making the space feel more inviting to a potential buyer. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some valuable information here and this was helpful to you. Again, reach out to me if you have more detailed questions, but thanks for joining today.